Good morning, day 2 of lockdown, and here we are. And I thought I will teach you a very popular recipe that most vegans are using, and it's Parmesan cheese. Well, everyone would like to know how to make Parmesan cheese, surely. So how are we doing this? We make them from nutritional yeast. And nutritional yeast is a deactivated yeast, and it is beautiful golden flakes that has a nutty, cheesy flavor. And I usually use this to sprinkle on my pasta. I sprinkle it on salads, on my lentils. It's super, super healthy. I even make sandwiches out of this. I put it on my toast. I mean, you can eat it just like that. You can just sprinkle it. I sprinkle that on my toast just like that if I haven't got any cashew nuts. But we are going to make proper Parmesan with cashew nuts. So it's high in vitamin B12. It's good. It's got folic acid in that. Has like about 9 amino acids, so it's so healthy. It's really good. So let's see, how do we make it? So we need some raw unsalted cashew nuts. So I'm just going to put about 1/4 of a cup in a blender, or if you've got like a coffee grinder, that works. This is a coffee grinder. And we add in a little bit of salt, sea salt, or some Himalayan salt. I will use a little bit of Himalayan salt. Garlic powder, just a little bit. If I was going to make a cream cheese sauce, I would do exactly the same thing in a blender with milk, and I would add onion powder as well. But we'll make that another time. And then we're going to use about 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. And it just has this lovely cheesy flavor. So you don't miss out at all when you're vegan with your cheese. You've got your healthy dairy products. Here we go. And that's it really. It just takes a few minutes. See? You see that? And just put it in a little jar like that, and then you've got Parmesan cheese. You can sprinkle it even on your pizza, which I will teach you how to make on another time. So that's it for today. Parmesan cheese, and tomorrow I will teach you how to make vegan burgers out of fresh soya beans and kale. So until tomorrow, my darlings, have a lovely day. It's a beautiful day here in Cyprus. So take care and lots of agape to you all.